Hello everyone, welcome back to ForexScholars. I hope you all are having a great weekend. So today we'll discuss about the upcoming week trade ideas and what is the analysis of different pairs that we are going to use in the upcoming week. So let's first start with the dollar index and let's see what has dollar index done in this past week and how it can react in the coming week as well. So if we take a look at the 1 day time frame, we can see that it has tapped into a demand, an OB if to be particular, and it has given it liquidated that OB although, but it has given a change of characters in the 4 hours time frame and in the bigger time frame in the 1 day time frame as well. So we can see a good green candle, so we can at least expect that the dollar will come at least till 105 range, and from there it will again start taking supply before further moving downwards. But I truly feel that it can come to 105 levels for sure, if not next week, in the coming weeks at least. But our view for the dollar index will be a bit bullish. Now if we come at the other pairs, let's start from the USD CHF pair. If we take a look at the USD CHF pair, it gave a very good movement at the end of the day on Friday, and it has made a very good candle on Friday as well. So it shows that it has taken some demand. If we take it on a 4 hours time frame, we can see that USD CHF is on a demand. But my only concern with USD CHF is it has tapped the demand too many times and then it has mitigated. If you see this particular demand or OB, whatever you call it, it has tapped it too many times and I am a bit concerned about it. But if it gives a very good change of character above these particular levels, the liquidity area, then I think we can see an upper move in the USD CHF. But as of now, I would like to short USD CHF near every supply with double confirmation, not just a tap and short, but chalk in smaller time frame and then short maybe. Now if we take a look at USD CAD, USD CAD is a very simple game. On a 1 day time frame, it has to travel a long way on the downside. We just cannot long it yet, and there is no evidence that we can long USD CAD and it has started turning bullish. But yeah, USD CAD cannot be longed at this position. We have to wait a bit more, at least it comes until this OB, and then we can see what can happen from there on. Now if we take a look at USD JPY and the Japanese yen, how it has performed against the dollar, at the end of the day it gave a very good change of character on Friday, again from a very important demand. If we take it a 1 day time frame, it's a very strong demand. It's a very good OB. If we can see, this entire move that came in the Japanese yen came from this particular OB. So we have to be looking for longs in the Japanese yen. It's a no-brainer. We cannot short the Japanese yen on any of these above supply levels, only if there is a double confirmation or anything. But as of now, I think Japanese yen has to be longed. Now when we take a look at all these pairs, we have to look that gold has done some real damage on Friday, and oh my lord, look at this. The way it has fallen, it has given a big change of character on a daily time frame, and you see all these lows being taken out one by one in gold without giving two shits about any demand. So gold has just dumped like as it should have, because if you look at gold 1 day time frame, it's a very good supply zone on the upside. And if we take a look at the 1 week time frame, we made quite a top. I knew that. So yeah, a lot of you must have known that, looking at the supply zone and the change of character that we got from the previous weeks. But yeah, if we talk about next week, gold can come to this place definitely, and if it comes there, it's a no-brainer. You have to short it anyhow. But if anyhow gold travels even downside a bit more, then I think that this particular area will be our POI. I think this area will be a very good area to see and take longs from here on. But other than that, I don't see any area between 18,040 to 18,080 to go long here onwards. Now if we take a look at the GBP USD chart, GBP USD clearly tells me that it is still in a trend continuation, and it is still far away from its daily OB. So once it comes to this daily OB, we can look for longs, but until then I would look to short GBP USD with small break off structures on intraday basis, and I would look to short it near every supply possible with change of character and keeping break off structure in mind. But we have to understand that we cannot short here at this supply without a confirmation, because it can easily move from here onwards. There is a lot of liquidity in these candles. It can easily move from here onwards and then maybe do something like this, and then you will be sitting there. So just don't short without confirmation in GBP USD, not because it's not weak, but because it has still some liquidity left on the upside. Now if we take a look at the EUR USD chart, very much similar like the GBP USD chart. Lot of scattered demand on the downside, and the very good OB that I see is quite a bit far away, but this demand cannot be ignored as well. So if GBP USD and EUR USD try to take some demand from these levels and the levels that I showed on the chart, then I think EUR USD can be longed as well. But saying that, you have to wait for confirmation. This is not a tap and go, because we are trading against the trend. Now if we take it, the one good pair that I really liked was the NZD USD pair, because this looks like a very easy trade for me on Monday. If NZD USD anyhow comes to these particular levels, we can short it. It's a no-brainer. There is no absolute doubt about shorting it. But on the downside, it has a very good OB in place on a 4 hours time frame, so we can look for longs from there onwards in 3 or 5 minutes time frame, given that we get a chalk. So these are the trading ideas for the next week. If you like my analysis, you can definitely like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and please comment so that I would know what are your queries and if you're liking my channel or not. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll meet you again tomorrow. Bye bye.